ass on me. That's why when I walk, I'm a fine.
Hey girl, hey, it's Simone Love coming at you with another video. And on today's video, we are in quarantine and I'm going to be showing you how to shape up your bushy eyebrows that I know most of us ladies have, to getting some nice, clean, shaped up eyebrows. I did do a little bit of filling, but I'm going to get to that in just a second. Of course, I'm going to go in with my small eyebrow razor that I have. You can get from your local beauty supply store. I believe they cost from $1 to $2 depending on the kind that you have. I know the beauty supplies aren't open, so I'm pretty sure if you go to your local Walmart, even Walgreens, they should definitely have them in there. Now keep in mind, going to those stores, you may pay a little bit more in price, but trust me, it is definitely worth it since you can't get to your local shop to have your eyebrows arched and cleaned up. First, I like to start by saying, don't come for me with my old faux locks, okay? This is edge control. It is not dandruff. Alright? But no, seriously, I just use really subtle, small strokes when it comes to the cleaning of my eyebrows. I lift my eye or a piece of, I lift the skin from my forehead just so that I can get in there really seamlessly with each, stroke that I'm, doing on my eyebrow, simply so that I'm not taking unnecessary hair off. It's a little hard to explain exactly what it is that I'm doing, but from what you guys can see, like I said, once you're doing this, just go really slow with it so that you're not making any mistakes. Take a little bit off compared to taking off a lot and you can't go backwards. So at this point, I'm pretty much going in where I was not able to get some hairs off, or what I feel isn't as clean as I would like it to be. I'm going in with my tweezer. And the tweezer is going to help you clean it up even more. It's going to get those little pieces of hair that you may have missed with your razor and just make sure that it's really precise and really clean. So this is where we start going in with our filling. I always fill my eyebrows. I've always had really thin eyebrows. Like I said, straight line eyebrows. So I've been doing this for quite some time now, once I learned how to do them on my own 2 years ago. And mostly because, as you can see, I really don't have any hairs on the ends. And it's not because I've shaved them all off. It's not because I've tweezed them all off. That's just how my eyebrows grow in. So with the products that I'm using, I'm going to use very light strokes. Again, the whole process of this video is to use very light strokes with every motion. Every portion of this eyebrow tutorial that you're using, you're going to use very light strokes. So that way you're not using entirely way too much product as well once you're doing your filling process, and you're getting the shape of your eyebrows the way that you would like for them to be. This is where your eyebrows are going to start coming to life. I always use a foundation, whichever foundation I'm using at the time that is closest to my skin tone, to clean my eyebrows up after filling them in. And that's simply because I'm not the person who likes that white line underneath my eyebrow. Again, there's no rules to makeup. If you want to use a concealer, go right ahead. I simply like to use the foundation because it just blends better, especially when say for instance, I want to put on a full face. It just makes everything look even more realistic and more natural to me. And you'll see that come the end of the video. As I said for the 50th time in this video, make sure that you're using small strokes. Use little product compared to using a lot of product, and then you're messing up your foundation of what you have. Everything needs to look realistic and natural. Even if you're sitting in the house during quarantine, you might have a little quarantine and chill going on or something like that. You might simply just want to look okay and cute by the eyes up once you go to the grocery store with your mask on. Make sure that you're looking natural. So at this point, once your foundation or your concealer is on, I'm going to start using my tweezers again because I can kind of see where I missed some hairs. And I'm simply just going to tweeze those out since I have the shape that I want. And this is going to be the foundation that I use going forward when I fill my eyebrows. I end up taking one of my makeup palettes and I end up using a real neutral shade to simply kind of blend that foundation out that I'm using. And yes guys, this is the right color to my face. Obviously I'm using my ring light and the light looks a little bit off, but again, I'm going to adjust my setting a little bit later towards the end of the video so that you guys can see exactly how everything came out. But again, I'm simply just going to put that all over my eyes where I put the concealer or the foundation so that it blends a lot better and again comes off way more natural, as if I really don't have anything on my face to set the product. I want to get a little bit fancy and I want to give a little highlight, so I'm going to use one of my concealer palettes that I have to go in and give my under eye a little bit of sheen. You don't have to do this step, but I do just because I'm a little bit extra. Like I said, just to give it more of a realistic look, like I'm fresh from getting my eyebrows done. So this darker shade that I'm going to be using is simply just a contrast to give my eye a little bit more warmth, to kind of bring your sockets back compared to just having a blank canvas. And like I said, it just gives it more of a realistic look. So at this point, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner that I'm using with a little bit of mascara, throw some eyelashes on, which by the way, shot me in extensions. This is going to be the Style Hustler that I have on, simply just to give, you know, the full effect of I'm a bad chick who just got my eyebrows done and I'm cute for my quarantine and chill, or for me to go get my essentials from the grocery store. So I hope you guys made it to the end of this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you're doing during this quarantine. Let me know if this video helps you outgrow and those eyebrows. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.